Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I
I, Justice Sardar Muhammad Sarfraz Dogar,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will bear true faith
That I will-
and allegiance to Pakistan,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that as Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court,
that as Chief Justice of the Islamabad High Court,
I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly,
I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly,
to the best of my ability and faithfully,
to the best of my ability and faithfully,
in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and law,
in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law,
that I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council,
that I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council,
that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions,
that I will not allow any professional interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions,
that I will preserve, protect, defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
and that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, effective or ill will. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.
and that in all circumstances I will do right to all manners of the people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.
Subhan.
Thank you.